students, welcome in your English class. So before starting today's class, let's see what's the date today. So today's date is 30th July 21 and today we will continue with the revisions that we were doing. So take out your classwork copy and give today's date and write down classwork and write your revision. Okay, so let's continue. We were revising grammar and we have revised till chapter 4. So let's continue with chapter 5. Okay, chapter 5 in English grammar. English grammar. Okay. So what is chapter 5? That is transitive or intransitive verb. How the question can be framed from there, like I can give you like say whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. Okay, so here I will write one sentence like the dog jumped over the wall. Okay, and there will be two options like simple transitive verb and the second one will be intransitive verb. Okay, now another sentence I will write like my brother likes his new bike. My brother likes his new bike. Again the same option, transitive verb, intransitive verb. Okay. Now third line, I can say birds fly in the air. Okay, two options again the same, transitive verb. Option B is intransitive verb. Okay, so let's do it. See, first of all, the sentence is like this: the dog jumped. This will be underlined. Obviously, my brother likes birds fly. This is the sentence given. Now you have to say whether it is transitive verb or intransitive verb. Let's see. The dog jumped over the wall. What is transitive? The transitive verb has some what? Has the object. Okay. So the dog jumped. What is the object? Wall. Wall is the object. So this is what? Transitive verb. My brother likes what? Likes his new bike. Then bike is the object here. So this is also transitive verb. Okay. So you have to see in the sentence. If I am asking, don't get confused like it is so what will be there, transitive or intransitive. You have to just keep the concept in mind. Transitive means having object. Intransitive, no object. Okay. So the dog jumped over wall. What is being affected? Wall is being affected. So this is transitive. My brother likes his new bike. What is being affected? The bike. So this is also transitive verb. Next, birds fly in the air. Okay, in this sentence, no object is there. So this is what? This is intransitive verb. Okay, so this is the concept for transitive and intransitive. Let's practice few more sentences. Fourth sentence. They went out. They went out for a walk. They went out for a walk. Again, the two options are transitive verb or second option is intransitive verb. Okay, next fifth sentence. Tahir is walking. Tahir is walking briskly. Tahir is walking briskly in the park. Okay, the same two options, transitive and intransitive. Now the last sentence. Each of the boys received a prize. Received a prize. Okay. Again, two options, transitive and intransitive. So let's see what is the sentence telling to us. So they went out for a walk. This is transitive verb. Tahir is walking briskly in the park. This is intransitive. Then each of the boys received a prize. This is transitive verb. Okay. So by this we have revised the lesson, transitive and intransitive verb. Now we will revise the next lesson, that is the infinitive. Okay. So next revision is from chapter 6. Chapter 6, that is infinitive. So how the sentence can come from this chapter, that is, let's see. Mala is learning. Mala is learning dash. Now the four options can be there. Mala is learning to dancing, to dance, dancing, none of these. Okay. Now see. Look here, it is very means important thing I am telling you. Mala is learning what? Like this you will see Mala is learning dancing. It can be correct, but in the question, first you have to read the question which will be given here. That will be choose the correct infinitives. Okay, if the word is mentioned here, infinitive, then you have to choose that what you have to fill the with infinitive only. So Mala is learning. Infinitive has what quality? Infinitive has two quality. That means two plus verb. Two plus base form of verb. Mala is learning to dancing or to dance. What? It is to dance. Mala is learning to dance. Okay. Now, second question. He works very hard. He works very hard. First position. He works very hard. Dash first position. Now the four options. Secure, securing, to secure, security. See the four options: secure, securing, to secure, security. See here, you can see, I think clearly. Yes, he works very hard, dash first position, and you have to fill it with infinitive. So what is the quality of infinitive? It will have to plus base form of verb. He works very hard to secure first position. To secure first position. Okay, so like this the question can come from infinitive. Now by this we have completed our grammar revision. Now we will revise what? We will revise the question how it can come from the paragraph writing. Okay, so just see what I am explaining. See how the question can come from the paragraph writing. Let's see what are the paragraphs. First remember what are the two paragraphs we have done. A school library. Wait a minute. A school library, and the second one is the Republic Day. So these two paragraphs, you don't have to learn it thoroughly, but you have to do what? You have to read it at least 4 to 5 times. Okay, you have to read it at least 4 to 5 times to answer the questions. Now I can ask the question like, we have a library situated on the dash floor. Very easy. On the dash floor, ground, first, second, third. So what option we have done? In our paragraph we have written, we have a library in our school. Our school library is situated on the third floor of our school building. You have to go with the paragraph. You don't have to imagine that where is the school library in your school building. You don't have to imagine that. You have to read from the paragraph. So in our paragraph we have done, we have the school library situated on the third floor. Okay. Now the second question. The students can keep can keep the books with them for dash a day, a week, a fortnight, and D, a month. So what is the correct option here? The students can keep the books with them for, now what we have written in the paragraph, let's see. The students are allowed to keep the books with them for a week. So for a week is the correct answer. Okay. So next we will revise about Republic Day. Okay, now what about the Republic Day? We are going to see. The major celebration takes place at dash. So four options will be Red Fort, Qutub Minar, third one Rajmarg, and the fourth one is Rajpath. Okay, so you have to select what is the correct option. The major celebration takes place at where? The major celebration takes place at Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Rajmarg or Rajpath. The correct answer is Rajpath. Now the next question. Many people from all over India visits dash to have a glimpse of the celebration. Okay, so the sentence is many people from all over India visit dash to have a glimpse of the celebration. So the four options: Dehradun, Delhi, Kolkata, Indore. Okay, so what will be the correct option? But obviously everyone knows that Republic Day, it is related with where? Which place? Delhi. Okay, very simple will be there. You have to just read the paragraph many times so that you can recall it at the time of exam. So that's all for our English grammar revision. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Keep learning. Yes, and one more thing. Don't think that the questions will be this only. Okay. You have to prepare. These are just the pattern to explain you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.